if you want to make your Bluetooth headphones louder on your Android, so the first thing to do is to make sure your phone's volume is set to maximum level. So open up your settings, find your sound and vibration tab, choose your, or basically you can do this with the volume buttons as well, right? So press your volume button and make sure that the scale is right to the top. All right. After that, we can check some Bluetooth safety settings. So on some phones like Pixel, Huawei or Xiaomi, there will be such an option. So on your phone settings, search for Bluetooth safety or a similar tone. And if you'll find such an option, try to disable it. After that, in our sound and vibration tab, right, we can scroll down to sound quality and effects. Here they are. And here we can try to find our equalizer, right? So we can adjust our equalizer to your taste, or maybe choose from one of the presets like pop, classic, jazz, or rock. Or we can try to turn on our Dolby Atmos for gaming, because sometimes this can significantly improve our sound quality and make it louder. And basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.